All right, let's open up this eBay E36 LTW 4-piece wing. See what we've got in here. I'm trying to film this by myself. All right, this one came in black. I think they do come in also like a tannish yellow weird color. Check out the riser. Weird. That'll definitely need body work. Let's see. Okay, those are fiberglass in. Ventilation hole. The nuts are actually in there way better than some of the other ones that I've gotten from like Latvia. Sturdy. Almost feels about the same weight as a Street Shark wing. All right, this one's like covered in something. Also rattled. Little bag of hardware, which probably will be useless unless they got the right size 10 millimeters to go through the trunk lid. Sometimes they're not long enough. All right, and here's the base. Which looks about normal. Yeah. Looks just as good as anything. If anything, I'd be worried about these nuts or it's pulling out. So don't over torque something like this. Do not over torque an eBay wing. Let's see. Sorry guys. All right, so that sits up there pretty good. And this one should sit up there. Well, there you go. Sort of fits. All right. Actually, the fitment is pretty solid. I mean, that's not even bolted. So. I'll probably run a gurney flap, a small one on here, a small one on the edge, just to give it some structural support so it doesn't sag.